Here I have MOTOROLA Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change viewfinder size, you can change video resolution, you can set up recording time limit, and you can also change file size limit. And you have record touch points, show interactions in the video. So to start recording you just have to tap on this button once, stop start, and after 3 seconds recording starts. You can, for example, record microphone, you can record system sounds, mic and system sounds. You can show video finder here. You can draw something on screen like this. Here you can see. You can pause the recording here, then start recording it again. And to stop recording and save it, just tap on this red button. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen record album here. And here it is.
Microphone, you can record system sounds.
And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording.
And system sounds. You can show video finder here.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.